Hey everyone, Adrienne here, Indiana Backyard Gardener. This is the third seed video for 2026. These are actually seeds that I've ordered. And you know what? I have not ordered and actually paid for seeds in a very long time. Okay, so one of the orders is from the freeheirloomseeds.org, and I always do an order with them every year. I love to do the heirloom seeds, and it's basically because we want to keep the different varieties going. All right, some heirlooms are becoming extinct, and it's important that we grow these things, save seeds, you know what I mean, that type of thing. So when you're growing heirlooms and you want to save true heirloom seeds, you definitely have to isolate those plants so that you can prevent any cross-pollinating. So yeah, these are freeheirloomseeds.org, and I get these every year. So I share these with you guys during the seed swap, and I try to spread out heirloom seeds as much as possible, you know, because I want to keep it going. So let's get started. This is Duborskian, I think it is, rice. Duborskian rice. Okay. This is lovage. Green lentils. Webb's Wonderful Lettuce. I grew this lettuce last year, and I'm telling you, I grew this in the heat of the summer, and this Webb's Wonderful Lettuce is a heat tolerant lettuce for sure. I'm sad that I did not plant more of it and save the seeds, because I harvested it, I didn't let it go to seed, and I was just pretty much trying it out, just experimenting, and it definitely did not bolt, and it didn't get bitter either. So yeah, Webb's Wonderful Lettuce is definitely a winner in my book. All right, this is Lingua di, you know what, some of these names I can't even pronounce, but this is another heat tolerant lettuce. Okay, this is spike lavender, or Portuguese lavender. Portuguese lavender. This is the Aunt Molly's ground cherries. All right. Black Magic kale. I wanted to grow that one last year. Green Eyes Rudbeckia. Sumter cucumber. I'm not sure why I chose that one. I don't remember why I chose that cucumber, but there's definitely a reason why I chose it. This is the Metki Dark Green Armenian cucumber. I've been meaning to grow that one, and I still haven't. Oh, I got two of those. Wow. All right. The Morris Heading collards. Georgia Southern collards. Now, some of these are probably extras because I don't think I chose these. Double Standard Bicolor Sweet Corn. I think I got more than I expected. Cilantro, the slow bolt cilantro. This is definitely more than I ordered. This is called Zloty Land Chamomile. Zloty Land Chamomile. And there's a reason why I chose that one too. And I don't remember. Pink Lipstick Swiss Chard. Now this one was a hot one. I was like, wow, that's beautiful. I need to grow that. Pink Lipstick Swiss Chard. Golden Self-Blanching Celery. Calendula resina. So this is the calendula that has the most amount of resin. So it's the most medicinal. This is sugar beets. Sugar beets. Mitsuba Japanese parsley. Japanese parsley. This is Corsican basil. Corsican basil. Large leaf Italian basil. Classic Magic Bachelor's Button Mix. Sunray green bush beans. Oh yes, those, I think the Sunray green bush beans were really pretty. I'm thinking that's why I chose them. Cannellini pole beans. Flambeau shell dry bush bean. Okay, so this one I think, yes, I think this one is a dual purpose bean. This one you can do fresh or you can do dried. So that was a dual purpose bean. Streaker hulless oats. Ishikura winter long bunching onion. Rosalunga Ditapia onion. Yeah, I can't say some of these names. Red long of Florence onion. Early white grano onion. Evergreen parsley. Bijou mix sweet pea. Black Spanish radish. Long scarlet Cincinnati radish. This is culinary sage, but it's extracta culinary sage. So the extracta sage has more essential oil in it for making like extracts. So that's why I chose this one. And it's a perennial. This is spelt. This is Virofay spinach. Or Viroflay spinach. Pineapple tomatoes. Super Sue tomato. Tiffin Mennonite tomato. Mortgage lifter. Glen hard red spring wheat. Okay. And then hard red winter wheat. All right, so that is all of the free heirloom seeds that I got. So that's cool. And like I said, if you grow them, isolate them and save seeds. It's the best thing you can do. All right, moving on to Baker Creek. Look at that beautiful envelope. So from Baker Creek, we have the Pink Surprise Calendula, Pink Shades Paper Daisies, Huckleberry, this was a heat tolerant lettuce, so we're gonna try that one. This was free, the basil, Thai basil. Red Swan bush beans. I thought those were pretty beautiful. Salmon Sunset 4 o'clocks. Look how beautiful those colors are. Salmon Sunset. I thought that was beautiful. This is a Winter Choy. It's a Chinese green. Looks beautiful. Free seed mustard, Japanese giant red mustard. Red, this is rat tails radish. So you grow these not for the roots, but for the pods that grow on the radishes. So that, I thought that was cool. Merlot lettuce is also another heat tolerant lettuce. This zinnia looks beautiful. It's Mazurkia zinnia. And then more of the black Spanish radishes. So that was all of the Baker Creek. Right, and then the last one I have here is from the MIGardener. All right. So, oh, look at that. So there's a seed envelope here to save your own seed. If that's not encouragement, I don't know what is. That's pretty cool. All right, so we got some more sugar beets. Purple sprouting broccoli. Borage. I was running low on borage. The bronze mignonette lettuce. That was another one that was a heat tolerant lettuce. Very good. Did very well for me. Tom Thumb dwarf bib. So that's something that probably can go in like a hydroponic system. Tigger melon, because I was low on those seeds and I still have yet to grow them. Like I've planted them and the plants start to grow, but then the bugs come and they attack it and I never get any melons. But I'm constantly trading seeds too, so now I've traded away all my seeds and I haven't even grown the plant. So I had to get a restock. This is a beautiful radish. I thought this was really pretty. It's a purple plum radish. Tom Thumb dwarf peas. Long pie pumpkin. Got 2 of those. China rose radish. I thought those were pretty interesting too. Now I've had these seeds before, but I also traded those away as well. This is the North Georgia Candy Roaster Squash. So I'm going to try that too this year. And I got 2 of those. I see everybody growing it, so I'm going to try it. Let's see if I can't get away with getting some squash off of that plant. Now the Tromboncino did so good for me last year. I will probably grow that again. And it did well for me all the way into the fall. So I was excited for that, and I had some even left over for the holidays, and I made pies with them and everything. So I was very pleased with growing the tromboncino squash. So thank you to Jennifer Ocean Homestead, who hosted that collaboration last year, Grow Your Groceries. And that's when I grew the tromboncino squash for the first time. And I have a hard time growing squash because of the squash bugs and the vine borers and, you know, all the bugs attacking. But that tromboncino squash made it through, and I got plenty of squash on it, and I was very satisfied. So I will be growing that one again. All right, guys, so that's it for the order seeds. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And for those of you that are participating in the seed swap, I hope you have like what you see, because you'll be getting, majority of these seeds are going to be going out in the seed swap. So if you have any of these items on your list, then just know that you will be getting, you know, a variety of these things. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, the more you know, the more you grow. Bye, guys.